The bag of the bag! Oh my god! Oh no!
Oh my god. Ain't the Lucy game ball.
Oh my god, this is stuck on the road! I'm stuck on the road! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I gotta kill it! Oh my goodness! This is crazy! This is fucking nuts! Oh shit! This is nuts! No! Did any shit land on me? No! No shit! It's still bad! They're still bad. We can't outdrive them. Oh my goodness, they're bad! Every turn we make, oh! Oh my goodness, look! Attack of the fucking man. Look. Wait. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to roll a blunt and get away from these fucking birds. But
I think it's swooped on that shit.
I
just dropped the first piece of fucking this shit. That nigga.
You are the black seagull. You are going first.
Run, nigga, run! Run, nigga, run!
No, I'm getting it.
You're right around, you're getting them. Yo, there's a fucking chicken hawk. You be trying to fuck that nigga up. The drifting takes a little bit of a fall back out. I have to put it back in.